Okay, London session live. Currently looking at DE30. DE30 H2 bar close in bullish breakout. We're above hard time frame levels here, looking for price to pull back, fake out a low, and then take this up. This is giving me a trend breakout vibe. We have narrow breakout range, price consolidation, and what I want to see with this setup, bullish trend breakout, I want to see price consolidating, and then right before it breaks out, I want to see price come down, fake out the low. And if I'm watching it, I can take the aggressive entry down here. Otherwise, I'm going to take the breakout at the top. So price has come down, faked out the low, came back above, did not close above though, faked out the low, faked out the high, I mean. So I want this to come down and take out this consolidation. There are ranges here, M30 range on the M15. So ideal scenario is that it comes down and takes out that entire range. If it does that, I'll sit and watch for a possible breakout setup from down here towards the highs. But otherwise, not going to touch this. Okay, so I also saw USD pairs GU looks pretty good. Don't like Euro USD, faked out the previous month low. USD Swiss faked out previous day high, so not interested in this at the moment. And that's it. Euro pairs, nothing going on here. Euro GBP is okay, faked out the low, came back above. We are in a big range. I was actually bearish on this the whole time. It broke out below previous week low, and now it's actually faked that out. So this might be something I might start looking at very soon. Euro USD, no. Yep, so looking at GU, GBP CAD also looks nice. Euro GBP, okay, so it looks like GBP pairs is what I'm going to be focused on. All right, so GU, GBP CAD, and Euro GBP. Okay, so I'm gonna look at these ones and focus on D30 as well. So those are the four pairs I'll be looking at: D30 and these three GBP pairs. Yeah, so D30 is setting up here. So let's trigger that M30 low. Would like it to get down even more, but now it can actually drop down to the 30 seconds and trade momentum on this time frame. Okay, so there's a range here. It has not come down to the low, so I don't really like this one. We're just kind of stuck. Look at the bar flow here; it's just stuck. I definitely want to see a reversal pattern. So when I'm trading inside ranges, what I'm looking for 99% of the time are these reversal patterns at the edge of the range. And so I'm always going to be, most of the time, looking for this particular one. And it's broken out below the low. And it is technically getting below the low, below that breakout level, but it's always nicer to see it all in one go. That would be the stronger move. So I am hoping that this comes down a little bit more. Go to the 10 minutes here, since the M10 is the momentum time frame here. Would love to see an M10 bearish breakout. Okay, so it looks like this is pushing up instead. Still haven't broken out of this range, so I'm going to wait until there's a possible breakout here. If it breaks out, then I'll start looking for pullbacks to continue the move. I guess this one would have been the right one, but was looking for an even lower pullback. Looks cleaner on the 2-minute. Probably should have gone for that. Okay, anyway, so I missed that entry. And so now I'm just going to wait for our price to pull back. But only if it breaks out of the of this range. Okay, so that M10 closed in breakout, takes out that range, and now I'm waiting for price to pull back. So what I'm gonna do, don't need to see the 2-minute anymore. I'm gonna drop down to the 5 seconds. Probably look for trend retracement on the 5-minute here. Actually, I'll do it like this. 5 minutes up there. Don't need to see the daily anymore. 5 seconds down here. And I'll put the 10 seconds here. Don't need that 30 seconds anymore. So I'm basically looking to find trend retracement moves on the 5-minute. And same idea on the 10 seconds here. Very small breakout. So that's why I'm looking at the 5-minute. Just waiting for pullbacks. AJ. I'm going to wait for GJ. I think GJ is going to set up. Okay, so it's come down. On the 5-minute, looking for my patterns here. This is a pullback pattern. If you get above that, then I don't mind getting in on this. This is a trend retracement on the M5, and I'd be looking to take a move back up. Would prefer trading the reversal pattern though. So if this closes in bearish breakout and that breakout level gets pushed down, there you go. And then I would like to see price come down and reject the low here. So I trade exactly the same whether I'm on the 5 seconds, 5-minute, 15-minute. My entries, my setups, they all work exactly the same. So here we've triggered the low, looking for price to reverse from here. And then the entry would be if price can get above that breakout level. Okay, breakout reversal, first sign of a reversal here, but not confirmed until we get above this M1 breakout level. M10 as well is faked out the low. Now we faked out the momentum time frame, flipped it. And so this allows me to go against that M10 fake out. So still no entry. And so now the process repeats again. I want to see a fake out of the low. If I don't get that, looking for a breakout of the high. Okay, so M1 closed bearish breakout, and now it gets pushed down over here. So looking for rejection, getting rejection on the M1 here. And now I want to see a flip. Reversal pattern if it gets above. Nope, continuing down. Let's see the other time frames here. So now I'd rather it come down, trigger the low. and 15 is also okay. So I'll switch time frames, getting right down to the H8 high. Okay, so the 15 seconds is looking at the 15 minutes. I'd love to see a rejection of the low and then getting in on the flip. Okay. Here's that rejection. And just want to see price push up, false breakout move. And one high is here actually, so trend reversal move. Okay, I'm going to pause, waiting for the entry. Okay, so price is now pushing down. That M5 closed, faking out that breakout. And so now we're coming down to the original level that I wanted to wait for. So hopefully it comes down a little bit more. And I do want to see that range get triggered down there. And if it does that, go back to the 30 seconds. 15 seconds, since I have bullish bias and the M5 is now bearish. Looking at the M5 momentum here. So it's always nice to see that my rules kept me out of all of this movement. Never got an entry. Momentum 2-minute was completely bearish there. Okay, so price has come down, trigger that range finally. 3 more minutes until this 1 hour bar closes. Don't want to trade right into that previous day high, so I do want to see price get back above. Let's see where this closes. Hopefully it closes in breakout, and then that these breakout levels will get pushed back down. So I'm back on the regular time frames now. I don't need to look at those smaller time frames now that we're coming down to the normal setup. I dropped down to lower time frames to catch it on the breakout, but didn't break out. So now I'm back to the original layout here. Okay, 2 more minutes, and let's see. All right, so finally, looks like we're getting up, came down, faked out that range, and was waiting for price to get above this breakout level. Never did until just now. Hopefully it'll close above, and then I can take an entry on this one. Been patiently waiting for that. So 1 more minute here. Just double check. So I don't like that H4 bar closure. Now we're getting back above. I'm definitely bullish on this one. Breakout did not fake out the low here, but we are flipping the M30. So M30 is bullish. When range broke out. Okay, so I like that. All right, so if we can get above, I'll take this one. The smarter move is to wait 20 minutes to see if this closes above, or 5 minutes actually, if this closes above. But I don't mind if there's continuation here. Okay, so H4 bar closed. Don't really like these ones. GJ, GU. GU, I don't mind. Trigger the 3 minute. All right, 1 minute closure here. Okay, got in on this move, stop loss at the lows. Actually below here. And now I'm just gonna hold it. So I'm anticipating this breaking out, and this is more of a move that I can hold for a swing. So here would be the first target. See how price does over there, but I would like to hold it to the next H8 or the H4. So next H8 is New York. So I'll probably hold it until New York session, and let's see. All right, so price has gone up about 2 hours. Gonna take some partials here. There's news 7:30, about an hour away. Usually there'll be some retracement here. So gonna take some partials, go break even, and I think that's about it. Just gonna let this run. I do think this is gonna continue pushing, or hopefully it does. Maybe at this H8 I'll start looking for continuations here. But this trade in London I think is done.